See this. Where am I? It's a bridge. Now I don't know where am I, but after crossing Konoma, I reached around 100 meters. Now I'm standing in a bridge. Standing on a bridge, and you can see the hilly areas there. Maybe this is Jaffu Hills. I don't know exactly. And this is my bike, and I'm reaching Zuluk. It's a you know it's a village which is not having any connection with the city. Only through this road we can connect the city. And it's not like Konoma, the greenest village, but this is like this Zuluk village is like it's a village which is still having still doesn't have electricity, and it still doesn't have much connection with the traditional living of life you can see in this village. And I am going through to that village. Stay tuned. And the weather is not that much cold, but still I am wearing this one because of the dust. And there is small stream here. I think it's coming from that side. Thank you.
This is a road which connects Nagaland's Kohima with Zuluke. Zuluke is also a very famous tourist destination in Nagaland. You can see the foggy weather here. The clouds.
Down there you can see the Konoma village. Can you see the road that I came? Now see the road and see the mountains. See the condition of the road. There's a high chance of landslide here. Now I have to go through this road. See the road that I came.
This is a valley. You can see the beauty of this valley. You won't see any kind of settlements here, only few houses here. And the forest is also very beautiful here. Right now I'm in Zuluke village. It's a very famous village here, especially for tourism. So many houses. People used to come and stay here, especially during night time. Best place for homestays. There are so many homestays are also available here. You can come and explore this particular village. So beautiful. And you can see the paddy fields and other terraced cultivations. This village is very famous for bamboo handicrafts. You can see some of the villages are making handicrafts made up of bamboos. And you can see the Naga Hills from here. The view is very good. I'm now heading towards the valley. There you can see the paddy fields.
Truck to see the paddy fields. Oh man, see the paddy fields. From top.
Now already harvesting has been done. Now I'm going back to the place where I park my bike. I don't have any plan to stay here in this village since I need to reach Peren. That is another district in Nagaland. Now you can see the interior part of the houses. These people are very much interested in making these bamboo made handicrafts, which is very famous here in this village. This person is a very good and nice person. He was talking to me about my journey and where I am going. Then I said I am going to Peren. You can see the way they are storing the woods for future purposes. You can see the view. Nice view is very nice here, and you can come and stay night time here. The road condition is horrible. That is the only problem you will face here. I cross Zuluke Now Zuliki is 4 kilometers.
Condition of the road is very horrible. Someplace the road is very nice. And now I am in a picnic spot. I forgot the name. Actually, I can't spell in proper way. So you see this one. See the road condition and see that the Himalayas. This is known as Eastern Himalayas or the Purvanchal. People may confuse with Nagaland. They think that Nagaland in Nagaland there is no Himalayas. Nagaland is in Himalayas and it is known as Eastern Himalayas or Purvachal. And now I am in Purvachal and this is a landslide area. I think I need to travel 55 kilometers more to reach Peren. And stay tuned. Beam Rider is still now traveling alone. I am the only passenger through this road and I'm just enjoying the ride. It's a solo travel. Bye. See, this is a landslide area. Can you see this?
These are the temporary sheds of the people who are constructing the roads here in this area. Mostly they are from North India, especially Bihar and UP. Can you see the landscape here? The road is like a village road, but it is a state highway. And this is the major picnic spot known as Hinambe village. Again the same. There's a major village here known as Benru. Benru is very near to Peren and very famous village for tourism. The pattern of the settlement and the structure of the settlement is very nice, but I couldn't go to the village because that road we need to heading towards to reach the village. Since I was not having that much time, so I just saw the board and the gate from here. I'm now heading towards. Actually, this road is unexplored by many riders and travelers. You can see the layer of horizons, mountain horizons. The beauty is very nice here, but the road is not that much good. There are so many people who are working here to maintain the road condition. You can see the road cutting through the mountains. There you can see even the landslide areas. This is the road which is heading towards Peren from Kohima. Even I saw this road in Google Map, and even some of the area is not even visible in Google Map. This is a village very near to Peren town.
There's a small shop. What is the name of the village? Once again?
Dunglo.
Eh?
Dunglo.
Dunglo.
Yeah.
Okay. So, your Ziliang tribe? Tribe name? Ziliang? Eh?
Right. Ike.
No, tribe name. Eh? Ziliang? Ziliang? ठीक है.
Now I'm in a village known as Pelatki. It is very near to this Peren, and even it is in Peren district. The view of this village is also very nice. The mountainous areas. You can see this. Now you can see a market area. There is no seller. The price of the commodities are written in a paper. If you want to buy, you take the product and keep your money there. So this kind of market are also there in northeastern part of our country. Can you see that? Sometimes you can even experience this kind of thing in northeastern part.
It's a market. Nobody is here. The products prices has been written here. So whichever is product you are taking, you can put the money there. See, this is the one. So nice market. I like it. but no plastic to carry. I want to buy this banana. I want to try. Nice.
So now I reached my destination. This is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Jaluki in Peren district. This is my destination. So I'll be staying here for a couple of days with my teacher.